Guys, it's Bill. So today I'm going to show you guys like what happened when you put a squishy inside the fridge. So just now I video it, but I accidentally clicked the end, so I put all the squishy in here. I put like 5. Oh my gosh, it's so freezing cold. So I put this garden. It's so good. This garden strawberry. Lele Sea Lion. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Rilakkuma bread. This mango. Oh my gosh, it's so. Whoa, did you guys see that? That's so squishy. And I think it's kiratori. I don't know, kiratori duck. I don't know which one. That's a bread, rilakkuma. I think kirakuma or rilakkuma. So in the first steak. So this is like. So see you guys. And so I'm gonna set like a timer like that. Oh my gosh, my hair. Ah! I just like took a shower, so I'm gonna set the timer. Okay, so where's timer? There. Now it's set to 1 hour. Oh no.
Yes! Vegetables 1, bunnies nothing.
Done. And start. So I'm gonna start for 1 hour. So see you guys in 1 hour. Bye. Hey guys, so I changed my mind because I watched it on YouTube, and it's just for like one. You can like do it.
What do you think? It's like a stretching technique where she just kind of climbs and does that.
So they said is to do 10 minutes, but I'm gonna do like 15. 10 or 15 I would, but I'm gonna just do 10 because I'm not good at it. So I'll stop by like it's now to 1:55. That means I'll stop at 2:05. So see you guys in 2:05 in 10 minutes. Hey guys, so it's already time. It's 2:08. So I'll leave it for like 8 and 3 minutes. So yeah, so let's go inside. I'm so excited. Oh, this is my first time, and so here it is. Oh, yep, they got more slower. They're like hard rock, but they're like so slow. This is so slow. Oh my gosh. Yep, they definitely got more slower. Let's see this mango. It's so hard. Yep, let's get it inside here. Oh my gosh, so excited. They definitely got more slower. They're freezing cold. Yep, they definitely got more slower. Oh my gosh, this is freezing. Just look at this garden strawberry. Look at how slow that is. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
You won, okay? Just let me be. Don't spread joy to the world or some reindeer poop like that. You don't Christmas, Pete? Oh, stop. Would you hate being
Oh my gosh, this is still rising.
You're talking nonsense. We're not so different, you and me. We both have needles,
Look.
but no one hangs ornaments on yours. That stinks.
That's so slow. Just compare this mango and that how slow this is.
Feel the warmth of those lights. Make it want to feel better.
Just look how slow this. Look, this is not the frozen one. This is not the frozen one. And this is the frozen one. It's really hard.
I'm sorry for everything I did.
See? Oh my gosh, it's still slow rising. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm just like shocked.
It's not too late to do nice. Ooh, sorry about the buzz cut, yeah?
Don't mention.
And this is still rising. This is not. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I know this got.
You're just walking away?
This got more shinier. Oh my gosh.
Give me a Christmas tree.
It's not even rising. It's rising so slow.
Oh, Christmas Pete, oh, Christmas Pete, how heavenly are thine needles. Yeah, that's the stuff.
It's so hard to squish it because it's so cold.
Measy looked at Buddy square in the eyes and said, "You want a piece of me?"
So I'm gonna set this out for. Oh my gosh, this is still rising. So I'm gonna set these guys out for a while. I'm gonna set these guys out for 10 minutes. The same. 10 or 5. I'm gonna do 5 because I was not patient at all. So yeah.
We've got presents to open.
Just 1 second.
There, 5 minutes and start. So just gonna 5 minutes, then yeah. So let's see, will it still be slow rising or no? Hey guys, it's been like 5 minutes. So I've been squishing this a lot, and it's still normal. Wait, this is not the frozen one. It's still normal. This is still normal. I mean, like, it's not normal. It's like still like the same, like just not the slow rise, really slow. It's still the same. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.